In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store address in Shopify. Keeping your store's address accurate is important because it appears on invoices and customer communications, and it can influence tax calculations and the way shipping rates are determined. If you've moved locations, updated your business registration, or changed where orders ship from, you'll want to make these updates in two places: your store details and your shipping origin. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open your store's settings panel. From there, choose General. On this page, find the section called Store Details or Store Address. You'll see an edit icon, usually a small pencil, next to your current address. Click it to begin making changes. Enter your new business address carefully and completely. Make sure the street, city, state or region, postal code, and country are all correct and match your official business records. Using your legal business address helps ensure that invoices, tax-related details, and customer-facing information stay consistent. If your store accepts returns at this address, double-check that it's the right location for mail and packages. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Your store details will update, and you should see the new address reflected in the admin. If you don't see it right away on public pages, give it a moment and refresh your storefront. Next, update where your shipments originate, so carrier rates and labels line up with your actual warehouse or office. Go back to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. On this page, locate the Shipping Origin section. This is the address carriers use to estimate transit times and costs. If your shipping origin is the same as your new business address, enter that here. If you ship from a different facility, use that address instead. Accuracy here helps prevent unexpected shipping costs and delays. After entering the correct details, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your store address controls what customers and documents display, while your shipping origin tells Shopify and carriers where packages start their journey. After saving, it's a good idea to place a quick test order or preview your checkout to see everything reflected properly. Keeping both addresses up to date ensures smoother operations, clearer customer communication, and more reliable shipping calculations.